Hi
guys.
Aniq here.
Ali here. Welcome to K2M Unboxing and Reviews. So today we have 3 different things. So one is a Kindle Paperwhite.
This is the Amazon Kindle Paperwhite Signature Edition. This is the
Latest
newest one that came out. Here you guys can see, and it's in the color black. And then over here we have a charger, a wireless charger made by Anchor for the Kindle. And then lastly we have
a Amazon
Kindle cover
for
this. So you guys can see. Let's put these two to the side and start off with that.
So this is a signature edition Kindle Paperwhite.
Okay, and once you pull it out, here.
Flip it over.
You guys can see the Kindle's right here. Okay, this is the side, and then let's see what's in here.
So this says that's what books are for, to travel without moving an inch.
Yep, so you guys can see it comes in this kind of packaging and this, so let's put this aside.
So as usual, so this is USB-C. So
it comes with a USB-C to USB. So unlike the older Kindles or the other ones, they are still micro USB. This one is USB-C, which is a great upgrade.
Very good. So that's the standard cable, no power brick.
And then over here, startup manual. It shows you can put it through USB-C to charge, or you can wirelessly charge it. Yep. And then lastly, the Kindle, you guys can see.
So the power on button, everything's the same.
Power button's down here, and then on the back it's a little bit more
non-plastic-ish.
Yeah, it feels different. It's not like plasticky, and then the front's all flat. Yes.
So this border is not plastic. It's not the same material as the back.
So the border and the screen are on the same level. So now I think we can open it up. While that's happening, over here we have the older Kindle. Yeah, you guys can see.
So these Kindles were released at the same time.
Yep. So this is like the basic, and this is the signature.
Okay. So the size difference is quite big.
There's a size difference, and also this one here, you guys can see.
Bezel and the plastic's matching.
Yep.
So it's also like.
And also no USB-C and
micro USB-C.
And it's micro USB.
And it's also plastic.
Yep. And let's see.
They both have backlit. This has a warm backlit. That only has like a normal lighting.
This is just quickly starting up. So this is the cork cover. So it's going to be made out of cork, like you guys can see over here. That's how you place it in. You just put it in.
So.
Yep.
So check out Kindle Paperwhite.
Kindle Paperwhite cover. It says
Nothing here. So you want to put this in?
Let's put it in. And there we are. It opened up. We can set it up later. We can use it as it is right now. So you guys can see this is a case. It's magnetic here. We have 2 of the Kindles here, both of these. So this one here, it has settings over here on top to change the backlight like this, while this one it automatically changes it based on the temperature and stuff.
The battery life, so this has a bigger battery, and it's gonna last to let's say is around 2 weeks.
Yes, so this one can last way longer.
Almost double the one.
This one also seems a little bit sturdier. Yep.
And if you close it, not much of a difference on like the resolution.
The only reason I guess you would buy this is if you have to download a lot of books and you read a lot of them. Yeah. Otherwise, I feel like this one, since it's way cheaper too, and it has almost the same functions, it's better. It's at like a better price range than that.
Amazon.
Okay, so Anchor support. And then over here, so that's that.
Cable out. So open this
side.
So over here it says happy or not happy. Quick start guide. Right there. So LED indicator. So there's indicators somewhere.
Can you plug this in?
Okay.
So you guys can see, this is how the charger. You put it in and then this plugs in here.
Wow, that's quite a long cable. Or else they
And then over here, it's like kind of like a fabricish thing here. And then over here on the bottom goes your Kindle, and then you can charge your Kindle on this. So let's take the Kindle.
So a solid white light means it's connected to power for 3 seconds. It's gonna be solid white.
Yeah, so there was
And
a
then
solid white.
there is gonna be a charging your device. It's gonna be another solid white.
So over here we have the Kindle with the case. So let's see if the case can wireless charge. So we put it in, solid light shows,
Okay,
and over here you guys can see there's the logo.
That's the charging logo.
It can charge, you guys can see like that, charging, and then there's a solid white. If we take it off, it's gonna turn off, and this isn't charging anymore. So there isn't much about this. It's a really cool device. This is also water resistant. So
Like-
some of the older models, they were really easy to like get wet and like they start like they wouldn't work anymore, and like the screen would freeze and stuff because of the water. So since this is all flat and like this, the water won't be going in, and now it's also waterproof. So you can, I guess, if you accidentally
Go outside.
spill something or something happens, it shouldn't be a problem.
So these, this is a really good bundle. So like, do you recommend getting this bundle, or is it like a better option to get that? So if,
in my opinion, I think depending on how much you read, if you read a lot and like
you travel and stuff,
you like travel and you want to bring this on the go and stuff, this might be a better option. But like if you're just like reading not like reading pretty often and
like a series,
if you're reading pretty often and stuff, but like you don't use it like too much, you're just doing it like a specific time of day, this might be better since it's cheaper, so it's like a better value. While this one, it's around $100-something. So this would mostly be used if you're really into reading and like you get newer books and stuff like that very often.
This about that wireless charging. So this wireless charger is a good deal, and so this bundle out, like you said, on the go, and if you're using a lot, that would be more common. But if it's more household use and you're reading a lot, it's better if you like get the bundle, because if it drops, it's gonna be protected. But either way, if you're reading like a one book, and
one thing I really like about this is how it has USB-C, because that makes it way easier
to
charge, and you don't have to carry another wire, because a lot of things have USB-C in them
nowadays.
Well, this, you probably won't be carrying a micro USB anytime soon unless you have some other device, but this you would have to bring a specific charger for it. So if this had USB-C in it, this would have been way better as compared to this.
Yes.
So this is why I'm saying like this is probably better for only like household use and stuff, because it's just able to. Yeah.
So
this is pretty cool. I would like this is gonna be used a lot too, so you could reading stuff.
So
really cool. So thank you guys for watching this video.
Please like this video.
And subscribe to our channel.
And remember to hit the bell icon.
Bye.
Bye.